Sometimes something comes along that exceeds all expectations. Something that people just can't help getting excited about. So who could be surprised? Our engineers are getting really excited about so many technological advances. In fact, they're so proud of their new creation that sometimes they can't bear to see it leave. A brand new class-leading engine from GE. Able to operate under extreme conditions with greater fuel flexibility, enhanced efficiency, even at altitudes up to 1,500 meters. Powering cities and industries. Now greener, with minimal CO2 footprint. Offering you greater power straight from the box. Built with parts that have a longer life cycle, giving you quality, power, and reliability. So now it's your turn to say hello to the all-new J424 two-stage gas engine from GE. But when you care this passionately about what you do, sometimes it's hard to say goodbye. Engineered with pride. The new J424 two-stage.